Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing objects and permissions so you can control them reliably. First, make sure Creator Tools are enabled and you have edit rights for the room. This prevents access errors. Next, pick an object with physics or a grabbable flag and assign ownership to yourself so scripts respond. Once done, add a small 1x1 trigger or attach point on the object to use as a consistent reference. These steps reduce variability and let you begin scripting the follow behavior immediately. You now implement the movement logic that makes the object follow. Pull the target player position in a tight loop such as every 0, 1 to 0, 2 seconds, so motion feels responsive without spiking CPU. Calculate an offset vector from the object to the player, then apply a smooth lerp or physics-based force to move the object. Smooth interpolation avoids jitter. Also manage rotation so the object faces correctly, and add simple raycast or collision checks to prevent clipping through walls. These steps create reliable, natural following. You complete the feature by deciding when to switch from free movement to attachment. When the object is within a small threshold distance, parent it or use the Attach API so it moves exactly with the player. This eliminates micro offsets. Then optimize by capping follow distance, reducing sample frequency when idle, and putting rigid bodies to sleep to save resources. If things go wrong, first verify room and object permissions, confirm ownership, and inspect collision layers and raycasts. Those are the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.